So we have a dishwasher that is overheating, heating element always on, no matter whether it's turned on or off. What we are going to do, we're going to replace some relays on the control board. So we took out the control board. Here it is. We're gonna be replacing this relay and this relay. This is how it looks here, and this is the rest of it. Here is we replaced the relays. This is and this is another one old relay.
Maybe we could move this.
These are our new relays. Here we have control board installed back. And the last video during the test, we have our heater turned on, showing us 6 amps, and we need to make sure it stops, goes to 0, turns on again,